Today we discuss on a topic simple interest. Now we see the examples. Alex invested $1,500 in saving a bond at a simple interest rate of 6% per annum. How much interest will he get after 4 years? Here his investment means principal is your value of principal means value of P is equal to at a simple rate of interest. Your rate of interest R is equal to 6%. Rate of interest is 6%. And how much interest will he get after 4 years? Then your duration is 4 years. Your duration is 4 years. Now value formula of SI. SI is equal to PR into T divided by 100. Your simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Your principal is 1500 rupees. Your rate of interest is 6 and your time duration is 4 years divided by 100. 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Remaining is 50 into 6, 90 into 4 is 360. Then your answer is he will get $360 interest rate after 4 years. He get $360 interest rate after 4 years. Now next. Mary borrowed $3,000 from a friend at 6% simple interest per annum. If she repays the loan after 1.5 years, after 1.5 years, find the total interest paid. Here your principal is $3,000. Then rate of interest is R is equal to 6%. Your rate of interest is 6%. And your time duration T is equal to 1.5 year. Now you find simple interest. Then SI is equal to principal into rate into time PRT. Principal into rate into time divided by 100. Your principal is 3,000 rupees. Your rate of interest is 6 and time duration is 1.5 year. Divided by 100. If you we cancel this point, then 10 is added at the denominator. Then we write here 3,000 into 6 into 15 divided by 10 is added. Here 3 0 get cancelled. Your remaining is 3 into 6 into 15. Then your answer is $270. Then your interest he paid total interest is $270. Now next, find the simple interest on 2,400 from 20 March to 19 to 31 March 2019 at 6.1/4% rate. Here find simple rate of simple interest. here your principal is 2400 and your rate of interest R is equal to 6.1/4% means 25 divided by 4%. Your rate of interest is 24 divided by 5%. Here we find the T means duration. You find the T means duration. Here from 20 March to 019. 20 March. If March month is total days in March is 30. Total days in March is 31. Total March 31, April 30 and May 31. These 2 months are completely taken. Here March started from 20 March. From 20 March to 31 March. Total days are from 20 March to 30 March. Total days are 12. Then March month days are 12 days. April days are 30 days. And May days are 31 days. Then total days is 73 days. Total days are 73 days. Then your time duration T is 37 days. But duration in year, we require duration in year. Then year it converted into year, dividing by 365. Then 33 days means 33 divided by 365 years. Then we find rate of interest. Here we find rate of interest. Then SI, value of SI, simple interest is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. PRT divided by 100. Your value of value of P is 2400. Value of R is 25 divided by 4 into T. T means 73 divided by 365 and divided by 100. Now your SI is simple interest is equal to 2020 get cancel. 4 1s are 4. 4 6s are 24. Then 5 5s are 25. 73 get cancel. Here SI is equal to remaining is 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is equal to 30 rupees. Then your answer is 30 rupees. Then simple interest on 2400 from 20 March to 31 May at a 6.1/4% is 30. Now next. How many years will take to accumulate rupees 7,250 on a principal of rupees 5,000 at the rate of 10% per annum? With the simple interest. Here, how many years will take to accumulate rupees 7,250 on a principal of rupees 5,000? Here your amount is 7,250. Your principal is 5,000. And rate of interest. Your rate of interest is equal to 10%. Then SI, simple interest, is equal to A minus P. Amount minus principal. Then amount is your 7,250 minus 5,000. Your amount is equal to 2250. This is your amount. ESI. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. Your amount is 7,250 minus 5,000 is 250. Then find the simple time. You find time. Then SI is equal to P into principal into rate into time divided by 100. Principal into rate into time divided by 100. Your value of SI is 2250. Then your principal is 5,000. Your rate of interest is 10. Then your T divided by 100. Here 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. Then T is equal to value of T 2250 divided by 500 is equal to T. 0 0 get cancelled. Then remain is 5 10 the 50, 5 4 the 25. Here remain is 45 divided by 10. 45 divided by 10 is 4.5. Then your time duration is 4.5 year. Your time duration is 4.5 year. Now next, your time duration is 4.5 year. Now next, at the rate of 6.5% per annum, in how many years will the principal amount of rupees 2,100 becomes rupees 3,192? Here your amount is 3,192. Your principal is 2,100, and your rate of interest is 6.5. Then we find T. Here we find T. Then SI is equal to, you find SI simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. SI is equal to amount minus principal. Your amount is 3,192 and your principal is, then your subtraction of these two is 1092. Your SI is equal to simple interest is subtraction of these two, that is 1092. Your simple interest is 1092. Then you find the time duration, you find T. Then SI is equal to amount into principal into rate into time divided by 100. Then SI value of SI is equal to 192. Your value of principal is equal to 2100. Your rate of interest is 6.5 year. Then we find the time duration divided by 100. This 0 0 get cancelled. Here remains is, then if we solve this, divided by 21. Here we write 65 into 10. Then by solving these two, we find value of T. Time duration. We find value of time duration. Now here we calculate. Divided by 21 into 65. Here remain 4 into 2. Your answer is 8. Then time duration by solving these two, it becomes 8 years. Then your answer is 8 year. Your answer is 8 year. Now see next example. A sum of rupees 10,000 is lent on simple interest at a rate of 50% per annum. What is the difference between simple interest for 6 years and simple interest for 2 years? Here, what is the difference between simple interest for 6 years and simple interest for 2 years? Here, principal is same, rate of interest is same. Only difference in 6 years and 2 years. Here your principal is 10,000. Your principal is 10,000. Your rate of interest is 15%. Your rate of interest is 15%. Now here we find the difference between interest rate for 6 years and 2 years. Then we take time 6 minus 2, that is 4 years. We take time 6 minus 2, that is 4 years. Here we find the SI, simple interest. We find the simple interest. Here we find the simple interest. SI is equal to principal P R into T. SI is equal to P R T divided by 100. Your simple interest. We find simple interest. Your principal is 10,000. Your rate of interest is 15%. Your rate of interest is 15%. Your duration, your time is 6 minus 4. Here difference between 6 years and 2 years. That we directly take 4 divided by 100. 0 get cancelled. 0 get cancelled. Then your answer is 6,000. Then simple interest. Difference between simple interest for 6 years and 2 years is 6,000. Your answer is 6,000. Now next. The simple interest on sum of money at the rate of 12% per annum for 4.5 years is 378. Then what is the principal? Here we given that rate of interest is given. Rate of interest is 12%. Your rate of interest is 12%. Now here time is 4.5 year. Time is 4.5 year. 4.5 year. And your SI, simple interest. Your SI, simple interest is equal to 378 rupees. Your SI is 378 rupees. We find the principal. Then SI is equal to principal into rate into time. Principal into rate into time divided by 100. Then your simple rate of interest, SI is given. Simple interest is equal to 378. Your principal, we find principal. Then rate of interest is 12%, and your time is 4.5 years. Means 4.5 divide here 4 point cancel. Then we write at the denominator 10 into 100. Now here by solving these two we get a principal. Then here 378 into 100 into 10 divided by 12 into 45. This is your principal. Now we solve this. Then remaining is 7 into 100. Then remaining principal is equal to 7 into 100. That is 700. Then your principal is 700. rupees. By calculating this equation, we get principal. Then your principal is 700 rupees. Now next. If the simple interest on sum of money at a rate of 12.5% for 8 years is 35,000, then what is the amount of that sum? What is the amount of that sum? Here, if the simple interest on sum of money at a rate of 12.5%, here rate of interest is given 12.5%. For 8 years, your time is 8 years. Your time is 8 years. 8 years is rupees. Your simple interest is 35,000 rupees. Then what is the amount of the sum? What is the amount of the sum? Here we find the amount. Here we find the amount. That is principal plus SI. Here SI is known. We find firstly principal. We find principal. Then SI is equal to, here we find firstly principal. SI is equal to principal into rate into time. Principal into rate into time divided by 100. Your SI is 35,000. Your SI is 35,000. Your principal is, we find out principal. Your SI is 35,000. We find the principal. Your rate of interest is 12.5. 12.5. Your time duration is 8 years. Your time duration is 8 years. Your time duration is 8 years. Rate of interest is 12.5. Time duration is 8 years. Divided by 100. By solving this, into 10. We solve this. Then your principal is equal to 35,000. Your principal is equal to 35,000. Here principal is equal to 35,000. We find the amount. Here principal is equal to P is equal to 35,000. Your principal is 35,000. ₹1,000. Then amount is equal to principal plus SI. Your amount is equal to principal plus SI. Your principal is 35,000 and your SI is also 35,000. Then your amount is 17,000. Your amount is 17,000 rupees. Now here your amount is 70,000 rupees. Here amount is equal to principal plus SI. Your principal is 35,000. Your simple interest is 35,000. You add this, we get the amount is 70,000 rupees.